Hi everyone, today we're going to make salmon fillet with Miracle Whip. Here is Miracle Whip. This is what I'm going to use. I'm going to do the mixture for my sauce. Okay, I'm using 1.5 cup. So you know this recipe for salmon, you can have rice or potato with this, and while you're baking your salmon, you can put in the potatoes as well. So you really, it's easy and short time because you can put it together. You're baking it at one time with potato or rice. I like mine with rice. So there you go. And this is finger licking good recipe. Must try. Okay, that's my 1.5. Mayo. Then I'm gonna do some salt. So this is a 1/4 teaspoon. This is about less than a 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Now I have I'm using frozen dill. Okay, I grow this from the garden in the summer. Okay, just gonna put it like so. You could never put enough dill in here. It's always good, always good. Then I'm gonna use lime, 1 lime. Okay. If you have a juicer, you can use your juicer, but I'm just using my hand. Use my muscle here. There you go. Okay. Next here is I have green onions. Put it in, all of it. Mix it up. See how easy that is? And then you just put it on top of the salmon. Put it in the oven for 350 at about I would say half an hour. I always do half an hour. You don't want to overcook your fish. Okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit salt on this before I put my spread it away. Okay, now we're gonna put some garlic powder on top. So top. Like it on top. There you go. And then it's going to the oven. Look at that. As you notice, I'm using liner. Baking sheet. Okay. And I'm going to put a aluminum foil the top because I want it to do. Slip it in there. Slip it in. I forgot to put it in before I did this, so it's not hard to slip it in. So good. So then you can just kind of close it. Okay? Make a little house for the fish. There you go, and it's going to the oven. There's the salmon. There's the salmon. That's been baking. So we're gonna take it out. It's been half an hour. Let's check these babies out. You can smell it. Ooh. Ooh. Looks good. Look at that. Finger licking good. So guys, here is the salmon that's been baked. As you can see, I have potato and lime in there. Now you can squish it on top if you wish. Finger looking good. See you again, Lola's collection.